What if scientists in the canton of Neuchâtel invented microscope slides for the future? In over 200 years of microscopy, microscope slides have hardly changed, unlike microscopes, which have undergone numerous evolutions. Fluorescence microscopy is widely used for disease diagnosis, such as for cancer or for allergies. When light molecules are present in small quantities, it is difficult to obtain results that are both reliable and rapid. At EPFL Neuchâtel, Nicolas Descharmes and Raphaël Barbey developed slides with a coating that controls the light. They can increase the sensitivity of the microscope by up to 25 times without further modification. And as a result, the images are clear and obtained much faster. The Luminesys project consists of 1 collaboration between EPFL and CSEM, dozens of visits to laboratories, companies, universities, and hospitals, 230 liters of coffee, over 300 hours of brainstorming, 700 hours of measurement in a dark room, around 1,500 manufactured and tested slides. Nicolas Descharmes and Raphaël Barbey get their motivation from sports, nature, and barbecues.